I am 5'8". I'm going to make this video very powerful. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about my food industry. So our food industry right now, it is expanded globally. Our whole food industry is expanded globally. Our whole food industry. Our food industry is expanded globally. Global food industry that I say is the global food industry ever exist. We are manufacturing the food items and the healthiest of the healthiest food items. Our promise is to provide healthiest of the healthiest food items to all the Homo sapiens existing in this earth. Okay, not only Homo sapiens, eventually the non-spoken one. You can understand who are I am talking about Thailand, about the non-spoken ones. Okay, who are the non-spoken ones? You could understand about it. For them also, our sector is there to manufacture foods for them, and the healthiest of the healthiest foods, totally created, curated, crafted with delicacy, love, power, everything in our food industry. Our food industry, the marvelous, miraculous, dynamic, ever changing, ever the industry with the expansion, with the delicacy of food, with the taste of food, the taste that touches the serenity, that gives the serenity, that touches the soul, heart, deeper core of the physicality of a biological, of a Homo sapien. Eventually, not only Homo sapien, the non-spoken ones also. It touches to the deepest of the corest of the things of the Homo sapiens and eventually the non-spoken ones. Our food industry expanded everywhere. The consumption that we made in this food industry, in this whole world, is from manufacturing, from resources, building resources, to manufacturing, to your stomach. Eventually, excretion I'm talking about. Not only your stomach, I'm also talking about excretion. How excretion can lead to opportunities, more development. I'm talking about that. How excretion can go with building new things is I'm talking about that. Each and everything total by Thailand Industries. Thailand Industry. Year Industries everywhere in the globe. So this is the royalty of consumption of food all over the globe. So when I'm communicating about it, this is the royalty of consumption of food everywhere in the globe. Royalty. Each and every person, each and every Homo sapiens and non-spoken words consume the foods, consume the things, consume whatever the things is. It's not about food, it's beyond. There is a new word. It's a simple word that we say it of food. It's like food that we communicate in simple words, but it's beyond. When I'm going to talk about it, it's beyond. It's beyond food. It's beyond food. So our industry make something that lurks, that takes the insight of everything. It purifies the whole body. Our foods are generated in a way, in a healthiest way, in the healthiest way that purifies the whole body, soul, each and every connection of our realms related. It's curated with science, psychology, physiology, biology, practical approach, psychology, everything, spirituality. Eventually, spirituality is added in our foods. How each thing is impacted and actually has things is existing that are all added in our food industry. Our food industry, the marvelous of marvelous food, part, marvelous food industry ever infinite in this earth. Thailand Industries, Thailand Industry, food industries. Each and every industry, like our food industry is like commonly people say about consuming bit small like things is we have totally revolutionized what they consume, where they consume, why they consume, what that their plate comes to, where they will excrete that. All things is oriented failure, where they will excrete, where the excretion will reach, how the excretion is going to totally develop each and everything with a method, with a structure, with an organization by Tyler, by year industries, by year. Everything controlled by year. Yes, everything. What they consume, where it goes, what happens in their biology, in their physiology, in their psychology, in their spirituality, in their spiritual realm. Everything is controlled by THAAEEL YEIR. Everything is observed, measured, controlled by THAAEEL YEIR. I'm saying it here. I'm saying it here right now in 12th of August 2025. I'm right now saying it. Yes, the deepest core of our delicacy is remarkable that we measure each and everything. Each and everything we measure. We measure each and everything from consumption, from each and minute of element, material that a Homo sapien consumes, where it goes, what will be going to happen in the Homo sapien after consuming that material inside the body, that all the things are with here, that how things are going to metabolically change in the whole body structure, how a person can consume things which will change the structure or bring things into existence. Like if a uh, uh, like if a person is here, if a Homo sapien is here dreaming for something to change from food items, that is also possible. We have added science, magic, and psychology in our food. Total science, total biology, total physics, everything is added in our food items. Everything highly scientific, highly psychological, everything adds in our food industry. From building the industries, from resources to excretion, not only stomach, excretion to generating new things from the excretion, tire industry, all was and revolutionized the whole industry. Okay, right now I'm exuberantly multiple industries, multiple food industries for multiple consumption things are built it all over the world and controlled by THAAEEL. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Divine Universe, for arranging each and every situation, each and every circumstance, event, situation, everything. People, Homo sapiens, arrangements, everything. Thank you. I'm right now writing in this slate, thank you to Divine Universe. Thank you, Divine Divinity, for everything, everything. 369. This is I have written here. You can look here in this bold. I have written thank you, Divine Universe, for whatever you have arranged all these situations. I'm so grateful to you, Divinity, Universe, the realms, the energies, for sowing, for building each and everything here in this earth. I'm so grateful to you, Divine Universe. All the opportunities lurks in our life, Tyler's life, our life, very abundantly, very prosperously. Right now, our life is as lavish, as grand. I'm saying the words lavish, grand, lavish, grand. Our life, the lavish of the lavish, grand of the grand. Our humanitarian services, our services of humanitarian are all going on in our right now, going on all over the world. Our services of humanity changing the life of Homo sapiens here existing. Whole Homo sapiens lives are changing, existing, totally changing and developing, growing, expanding. New things is here, from food industry to entertainment industry to Marvel industries to each and every industry, from pin to rocket, each and every industry. I'm writing another time here. I have written thank you, Divine Universe. 369 I'm showing here. Thank you, Divine Universe, for each and everything. I'm writing here pin to rocket. I'm drawing it pin. I'm drawing here rocket. Pin to rocket, each and every secret, each and every sector, each and everything, from pin to rocket, our industry, Thailand industry, built in miraculously. Thank you so much, Divine Universe. Thank you so much, Divine Universe, for each and everything in our life. Thank you so much. We here lucratively delve into the health sector of health. I'm going to our sector also delves into health, medical, everything. We see medical in a very different way, not only consuming things and getting healed. No, our healing is very different. It's dealt with spirituality, psychology, science, and depth of transcendental realms. We heal things with magic. We have magic of divine. We have magic of divine. Thailier have the magic of divine to heal anything. Anything. Eventually, we didn't allow any element to come in any Homo sapien. That's our power here. We didn't allow, Thalia didn't allow any element to come into anyone's life. This is what Thalia is saying gigantically. Rectitude. Yes. So 22, 369. I'm taking the numbers here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Divine Universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Divine Universe, for powerful expansion of our food industry that I talk about. Not only food industry, we are infinite. Tyler, the infinite, the infinite, the infinite, the infinite, the infinite. I'm going to talk about more deeper about my more industries. I'm going to talk about here in my videos upcoming about various industries, about pin to rocket, about manufacturing industry, about light industry, about technology industry, about mining industry, about scraping industry, about water industry, about lavish industry, about luxurious industry, about entertainment industry, about education industry, about each and every industry, about spiritual industry, about each and every pin to rocket. I have said the word pin to rocket, each and every industry by Thalia. Every businesses, each and everything controlled by Thalia. You're Thalia with amazing new video. Go on and watch Thalia here.